Hey everybody, this is Dustin from What's in the Shop. So I just wanted to come over here and we were doing a wheel bearing pack. And so we've already completed the wheel bearing pack. We got the coach up in the air. And what I wanted to talk about was the shackle links. So this is the shackle link, and this particular shackle link is not a standard. It's what we refer to as long. It's about 4 inches, or maybe it's 4 3/8. I don't remember offhand, but what we want to talk about is the thickness of the shackle link. So these are the standard shackle links that do not have wet bolts in them. And so what we've recommended to the customer was, hey, look, these wear out all the time. They break easy all the time. So we want to do this big bad boy right here. So if you look at the difference, look at the difference in thickness, right? That is substantially thicker. It's actually about 2.5 times as thick as these. We're also going to be replacing the bolts with wet bolts, so they will be greasable now. We're going to remove the springs, and we're going to drive out the nylon bushings and put in bronze bushings with the wet bolts, so that this has more of a free moving operation, as well as extra security by the thickness of this guy. So stay tuned for more, and we hope you like these. Thanks so much for watching.